Yeah.
But for the meanwhile, you can send me all your packages and prices via WhatsApp. I will take a look already
Okay, okay.
and
My boy
see.
will, yes, my boy will send you the packages budget, then you can take a look. But right now, if you have time, then can I explain something about our packages?
Okay.
Okay, we have two type of packages available right now. First one is basic package, and in this package we have to complete SEO optimization, your 10 videos, complete SEO optimization, and our basic package cost is 120 US dollar. And also we have another package that's called monthly and premium package. And in this package we have to complete SEO optimization, your 30 videos. And our premium package cost is only 300 US dollar, but it's also after working your two videos free, and then you have to decide and you have to choose one package.
Okay. But how does it work?
Hello,
Because
ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
oh, yes, I can hear you. I was trying to unmute. Is it okay now?
Yes, yes, yes. Now, okay. Now we can hear you. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much for joining with us. Let me introduce about ourselves, then about our service, then we're gonna talk about our project in here. My name is Rifat Shorkar, and in here another person he is Sakib, and actually he's reach out to you, and we are working together in digital marketing sector, and we are providing digital marketing all type of services. So this purpose today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. Ma'am, you have a great YouTube channel and you want to get more views, get more traffic in your channel. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, so for your YouTube channel, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO. That means search engine optimization. And in this session, we have to research your niche at first. Then we have to research your proper audience. And then we have to research which type of keyword your audience search on YouTube to watching your niche related videos. For example, you made cooking video. Then we have to find out which type of keyword your audience search on YouTube to watching cooking videos like based food, based cooking, or burger food, or any type of keyword your audience search on YouTube. We have to find out that. Okay, then we have to input and include this type of keyword your videos backend section, like your video's title section, description section, and also text section. We have to proper optimize. And then when your audience search on YouTube according to your niche, according to your this keyword, then your videos will shows YouTube and Google top search result. And this is the process actually, ma'am. And also we have another method that's called organic promotion. And in this session, we have to just simply copy your videos link and we have to share by using social media site. We have a lot of social media sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr, Reddit, so we can share your videos to a lot of audience. And then we have to another and last method that's called Google Ads. That's mean paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose the Google Ads or paid campaign you wish. But right now, and for fast, we recommend you can choose the organic work because it's organic and very powerful. So right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you go Google and search on just freelancing school BD, then you can find out our website. But right now, badly our domain is expired. So I think within one day, within today or tomorrow, we will fix it. But still, you can find on YouTube. Find us on YouTube, freelancing school BD. Okay, it's our channel. You can see a lot of work we already done in here. Now you can see YouTube SEO buyer meeting interview. It's a US buyer meeting, and in here you can see a UK gentleman meeting, and in here you can see a lot of work. If you click on our playlist section, then you can see our buyer meeting, and in here, yes, in here you can see a lot of client meeting we already done. Okay, so after finish our meeting, my boy send you all of the link and information, then you can check it out. I know you are very curious, so that's why my boy can work with you for you two videos free. Okay, so can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So my boy can work for you two videos for free. And after complete these two videos work, if you see yes, result is coming and you are satisfied with our work, then you can choose our plan and packages. So I think it will be good for you, ma'am. So right now, if you have any question, you can feel free to ask me.
Okay, the packaging first, that's the one must know. You can send me because I'm sure that it's a long list, so I don't have time now to hear you talking about it. If you can just send it to me via WhatsApp, I will check it out. As if you do the two video free, like you said, and I don't see the result, I'm not happy about the result. Do I still have to pay?
Actually, ma'am, my boy send you all of the link and information, and he will work with you two videos free. And after this task, if you satisfied with our work, then you can hire us for a long time. If you satisfied, or if you
Okay.
not satisfied, then you can fire us anytime, no problem.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if I'm satisfied with it,
Yes.
then we can talk.
Yeah.
But for the meanwhile, you can send me all your packages and prices via WhatsApp. I will take a look already
Okay.
and see.
My boy will send you the packages budget, then you can take a look. But right now, if you have time, then can I explain something about our packages?
Okay.
Okay, we have two type of packages available right now. First one is basic package, and in this package we have to complete SEO optimization, your 10 videos, complete SEO optimization, and our basic package cost is 120 US dollar. And also we have another package that's called monthly and premium package. And in this package we have to complete SEO optimization, your 30 videos, complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion and including your whole channel optimization, like your channel keyword, channel description, channel text section. We have to all of the thing optimization. And our premium package cost is only 300 US dollar, but it's also after working your two videos free. And then you have to decide and you have to choose one package.
Okay, but how does it work? Because I'm the one uploading the video. So when I upload my video, how are you guys going to work on my channel?
First thing is we need your channel access, but still no need your login information like Gmail password. It's your privacy matter, so we no need. We just need your channel access by editor or manager. Do you know how to give?
No.
Then my boy will share with you a same tutorial. Then you can check it out after finish our meeting. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
I will show you just 1 minute, ma'am. I think you can see my screen.
Okay.
Except this, it's your YouTube channel. Okay. Then for give him access, you have to click on your channel logo section, then YouTube studio section. Then you have to click on your channel settings section, and then you can find your channel permission section on the settings. Okay, then permission. And in here you can see three person, Suraya, its rule is owner. I think it's owner. Okay. And Suraya and this email it's channel manager. And this email is this channel's manager. Okay, in here. And if you want to give anyone's your channel access, then you have to click on just invite section. Then in here, you have to paste or type this man email address. Then access type in here, you can click on this and you have to choose the permission. You can choose the rule. If you click on editor, then you have to paste my boy's email in here. Then you have to click on just done section. Okay. Then my boy will get an email address, then accept this invitation. And after that, he can work on your YouTube channel backend in this way, actually.
Okay. I will see. So which access are you going to have on my channel when you get access to my channel?
If you just give just manager or editor access, then we can work. Editor or manager.
For how long? For
Uh,
how long?
how long means if our project is done, then you can remove us anytime like this. Just 1 second. If you want to remove this manager, then you can just click on this section. Then you can remove access anytime in here. I think you can see. As a owner, you can remove
Okay.
any manager anytime. Just one click.
Okay, but when you manage like this, if I understand well, besides the two free videos, if maybe I agreed for you to it's like you are boosting my channel, right? It's something like that.
Yes.
So after boosting it or working on it, if you can call it like that, what kind of results am I supposed to see to understand that your work has been done? What type of result am I supposed to see? More views, more watch hours, more what exactly?
Okay, ma'am, good question. The main thing is you called Boost. Boost, I think it's called SEO. That means search engine optimization. That's the name actually. And SEO work is your channel's backend optimization. Like when your audience search on YouTube according to your niche, then anyone's can't find you because your video's backend is not optimized. You not put any keyword on your video's backend section. That's why your video is not showing anyone's inside, anyone feed. So that's why you are
I
not.
did I did put keyword on my optimization. I did.
Ma'am, we have to optimize properly. We have to, when we optimize your videos, then we have to research for your proper keyword, like which type of keyword our search volume is very high. And also, keyword difficulty, that's mean KD is very low. And we have to optimize, we have to keyword research properly. And we know we have a lot of keyword research tool like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, Rapid Tag, Google Keyword Planner, and we are SEO expert, and we are working on there a lot of time. So we have a lot of experience in here, you know. So after two video,
Okay.
after optimize your videos, then you can easily compare your result before after. And of course, my boy will send you before after comparison. Then you can take a look easily, ma'am.
Okay, but if I hire you now, what you guys are going to do? I don't know. What's exactly the result? The result, what is the result supposed to be to confirm that your work was done? More view, be specific. How many views or how many subscribers? I don't know. You are not specific. You are going to do what you said. Yes, I understand.
Ma'am,
But the results
hmm?
specifically,
Yes,
it's what?
yes. Ma'am, first of all, it's organic work, and our first job is we have to show your videos to your targeted audience. And after that, your audience, when see, yes, your video is providing a value, your video is valuable, right? Then your audience click on your videos and give you watch time and give you views. And after that, your videos, when realize, yes, use your video is proper giving proper value, then your audience of course subscribe you and you get a lot of watch time views, of course. So our main job is we have to show your videos to your targeted audience. Okay, ma'am. And he will find your videos by searching. So after that, your video is very qualityful. Then you can get views, subscriber, watch time, and anything. And you can achieve your goals in this way.
Okay, I will say, let's start with those two free videos. Can you do that with old videos, or I must upload new ones for you to do that first?
Yeah, old or new, no problem. We can do all.
Okay, I will try to do so that you can do with the old one, two old video, and let's see what it does. But I want to see your packaging, so send me on WhatsApp.
Okay. So after finish our meeting, my boy will send you our package and pricing and then he will send you his email address. Then you can just make him your channel's manager or editor. Then he can proper SEO and optimization for you, and then he will send you the before after comparison, these two
Okay.
videos. Okay, then if you satisfied with our work, then you can hire us. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
busy now. I'm very busy now, so I have to go. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you maybe next time.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.